Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how to update time in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to update your phone time, so guys you can update it. So in this video I will show you how to update phone time. So let's see guys how to use phone time setting in Vivo phone. I will also tell you in this video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it and guys come in your system setting. The system setting guys, click here and guys click on this date and time. Guys click on time. Guys click on this keyboard, so you can update your time. So you can set yourself like this time now guys. So guys, time is now 4:44 guys. 44 guys, minute and hours, and guys you can set am and pm from here. Then guys click on ok option. So guys, time will update in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to update time in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.